Good morning, guys. So we are all dressed up. He is dressed up for school, not we are all dressed up. I'm dressed up by the way to go drop him off. Today is his birthday. You guys say happy birthday to my son in the comment section. Say hi. Hi. Say today is my birthday. Birthday. So guys, regarding the lights, the letter brought lights by 2 a.m. and I was sleeping then, like I couldn't wake up because I purged last night. I don't know if it's the beans that I ate, but my stomach was just turning me, like after defecating, my stomach was just paining me, so I couldn't wake up that night to do anything. So I'm just hoping they'll bring it this morning again. I just hope. Like I'm just hoping. I don't want to put my mind in it again because last night I was just frustrated and I cried. So I don't want to put my mind in it again. If they don't want to bring it, fine. If they bring it, fine. So let me go drop my son off first. Then when I come back, I will know what to do. So yeah, that is it. Baba, birthday boy. Birthday boy. You are 3 years today, so if you cry now, flog you. You guys, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Go back now. Happy birthday. Your hanky's in your back, okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Go back. Ah, Jesus.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Guys, they finally brought lights. I don't want to talk much before they will take it. You guys should just help me and thank this God, because I told you guys I was going to complete you guys. You guys should just help me and thank this God, because I don't know what would have happened here today. Even though there is no much time, but that's what I can do. Guys, this is where I'm using it, because the socket in the kitchen, there is no table there.
brush, I be the paste. You be judge and I be case. You be trouble, I be base. Baby, gone now are the days that I be searching for a babe. You be my shoe, I be the lace. All other girls, it them be fake. I got you all of my days. Follow me, call on my date. No mind what him they say, oh. Emma Wale. They want to come between us, baby, them go fade. Yeah, me, I go demonstrate. Baby, 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 I go there for you. I go there, I go say, sweet potato, if you leave me now, go babe. Mommy, you no need makeup, you there slay.
I'm done with the wet ingredients. And here's the dry one, so I'm going to mix it.
Baby, 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 I go there for you. I go there, I go say.
Guys, one is done. This one is just the small one that I added in another pan, like I put it in another gas, because the main one is like okay. See, this one is the vanilla cake. I'm going to do vanilla and chocolate cake. So this one is the vanilla. I'm just going to leave it to cool. Then this is the main one. This thing should focus. It's done. Okay, guys, I'm done. Like, there is no time again. We have to start going. So this is the final look. I just wanted to show you guys before we head out. Hope I tried. Let me go and have my bath because before school dismissed. Catch you guys later. So guys, because of my storage, I couldn't carry you guys along in the whole process. My phone went, like, the storage went full at some point. I had to delete and all of that. So, and I was even saving storage for school because we'll still go to his school. So yeah, that's why I couldn't carry you guys along in everything. But don't forget to rate my cake in the comment section, by the way. Guys, we are off to school. That was my son's school. This is how I wrapped it. I just pray this thing will remain this way, like before we reach school.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Shout it. Happy birthday, you now. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years. Many more years to you. Hey, Jerika.
My son was just crying because he just wanted to follow us and go home. He didn't understand what they were doing here, so that is why he started crying, because he saw me and his dad.
Yeah, show it like that.
Big boy, look at mommy now. Oh, chim. Then you mom.
Baba, look the camera.
You can send the mother up here, Jenny. Baba.
Baba.
Sorry, yeah. I tell you, mama, book cake here, bushy.
Baba, look. Hello.
Hello to you.
Big guy.
Why are you crying?
Oh yeah.
Baba, why are you crying? Chukwuerika. So she happy. Okay.
Hey, this boy. Not even allow us to pray.
It's a man now.
It's remaining.
It's remaining.
Drink it very well, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Good afternoon. Abi? Oh, yeah, now go to go and get that. Makana for that.
What did you say? Say thank you.
What the fuck? The phone calls.
Yeah.
You've got phones.
Car, you like it?
Open it.
Yeah, new car. Yeah, new car. This guy, you like it? Like it? Yeah, like it. So thank you. Yeah, big car. Happy birthday, son. Happy birthday. See how that car is inside. Yeah, take. You like it? Good job.
Say thank you.
So thank you. Yeah. Yeah, big guy. I know it's coming though. Say another one. Yay! So thank you.
Hey,
Open it. Open it. Car freak. My son is a car freak.
So you guys, I don't know if I've said it on this channel before, but my son loves car. Like, he loves toy cars very much. He just loves cars, not just toy cars. Car was the first word that, like he said as a kid, car was the first word he learned. So like, he loves cars so much. So yeah, that is why his dad bought this toy car for him on his birthday, plus the one that I bought the day I went to the market. I don't know if I showed you guys. So yeah, good evening guys. I just finished sleeping. I just woke up now. That's why my face is swollen. So we came back from my son's school after like taking the cake there, and like they sang for him and all of that. So we just came back. I went to my husband, by the way. I don't know if I showed him the vlog. After that he came back. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Like, I was so tired since morning. I've been doing that cake because I was supposed to start yesterday, I told you guys, but that light stuff spoiled everything for me. So I started this morning and I stood for like hours. I was having cramps. So I just came back and we went to eat because I was very hungry. We came back around after 3. So we went to eat one small food. Guys, I don't even know if I videoed that food. If you see food that these people are selling for like a huge amount of money, food that will not even, like, my son, if my son finished that food, he would ask for another one. That is the food that they gave me. I was shocked. So we just ate and came back home, and I just slept off. Like, I'm so tired. Oh my god, I still have loads of work that is waiting for me. I don't even know where to start from. I don't know where to start from. I still need to cook because that thing I ate is nonsense. I don't know if I can be able to cook because I don't have strength. And I still have my son's this thing to watch. His singlet and boxers, all of them are finished. Like, I've not watched them since, so I need to watch them. Just singlet and boxers. I'm not watching the school uniform today. And then his assignment, I still need to watch his flags and things that he came back from school with. And my kitchen is still a mess from the cake stuff that I did. Even the mix, I've not washed anything because we were just rushing. I finished late, so we were just rushing so that the school will not close before we go. So yeah, everything is still waiting for me. I don't even know what to do at this point, like where to start from. I don't know, like, I'm so tired. I don't even know if I can do anything this night. To me, I'm tired. I cannot kill myself. I want to watch the singlets first. At least that one is simple. I'll just sit down and see if I can just watch them off. I don't even know if his shoes neat. Guys, I'm tired. I need help. So yeah, what am I saying? Let me just start from somewhere. That is that is it for today. So we came back and gave him his gifts. I'm just going to attach the clips, I think, so you guys will see the clips. My son loves cars. I think I've told you guys before, like he doesn't play with cars, toy cars for now. So even cars, like if you are going to school or we're on the road, he'll keep pointing cars until we school. So he doesn't joke with cars, and car is the first word that he learned to say. Car is his first word. So we just got him toy cars. That is what we can do at the moment. Cannot buy him Mercedes Benz. So we bought him toy cars and we just gave it to him, and he was so happy. You must have seen the clip, Sha. He was super happy. He just threw the old one away and took the new ones. So yeah, that is it. Hey Jesus, now 4 minutes. So I don't want to talk for too long. I'm going to see you guys later. Let me know if I can do anything this night. So I'll tell you guys once I'm able to do this night. I'm even thinking it's only that singlet I can watch. I don't know, but yeah, let me see the ones that I can do, and I'll talk to you guys later.